Today, I'm going to be showing you how to put the LED headlight kit in a 2002 Chevy S10. So, we're going to put the high beams in tonight. Here they are. Pretty cool looking, actually. No LED in there. So these are, like I said, the high beam. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step video on how to change them out. So first you're going to start by popping the hood, which I'll open the door so you can see. Down here in this truck, pull that. Come around here, a little lever there. Pull that. Hood opens, and you pull up your lever there. And I got a light so we could see better. I'm gonna do this light. So I got the hood open, I got a light that's not really helping the video. You got the two tabs there that hold the light in. This is the driver's side. You pull these up and off, and the whole light will pop out like so. Now you don't gotta bring this thing far. So here's the low beam, and this is gonna be our high beam right there. So let's grab the light pack right there. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out and give it, be a pain to get out sometimes. So I believe you turn it, turn it like, I don't know, 45 degrees or so, and the light comes out. Do not touch the bulb because it makes the bulb go bad. They're halogen, and they get so hot with your finger oils that they will prematurely burn out. I'm gonna set you here. You pull this tab up. A little bit should come out. There we go. That's the connector there. Again, not touching the bulb. I'm going to set that on the chair carefully. Actually, I'm pulling these out. Set that there, and then put the bulb in the compartment there. Stick it down inside. You grab the high beam there. It goes in the same way. And come on. Okay, I just want to go in one way. There we go. Turn it should be good, and then I'm going to plug this in here. Like so. And that should be good. Oh. I got the bulb to stay in there first. There we go, we're all good now. Just didn't want to sit right because I'm kind of lost my hands here. So I'm going to, oh, let's pop out. See if we can't tuck that back down. Got a leather ring. There we go. And once I get that ring back on there, hopefully, there we go. I'm going to tuck the wires up inside. That I'm doing. And then we're going to slowly put it back in, make sure we're not hitting on anything. We come back over here, there's those two square holes, and there's pegs. And there's one. There's the other one. So you want to squeeze this in, and then slide those clips back on. I'll see if I could show you. having some difficulty there. I don't know why. That's loose. Make sure we're not caught in anything. Let me assist it a little bit. Try to persuade it. There you go. It was just a little tight. No, it wasn't all the way down, is it? Not sure all that is, but a little persuasion. Got it in. Now I missed an important step which you're going to want to do, so hopefully you watch this video before you just put it back in. You're going to want to test it, make sure it all works. First we'll do low beams, make sure they're still good. Yes, they are, nice and bright. I'm not sure if we could. There we go. There's our old one, and there is the new one. It is very bright. There's high beams. Put them both on, it's really bright. So low beams, high beams. Both. Just low. Let's do the other one, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And I went ahead and finished installing this one. Happened to have some water in there, so I had to go out and drain that, pull the whole light assembly out. So I'm not sure about that yet, but I will figure that out eventually. Might have to put some sealer around the edges or something. But they're all in there now. So it's high, and the low beams are somewhere hiding back there. You can see the high beams right here. And yeah, same deal on that side. So let's give them a test. Alright, so here's low beams. Nice and white. Very, very bright. I don't know if it shows up. Pull the lever back and get high beams. They're like the same brightness, but I guess they're angled different and whatnot. But yeah, those are nice. And I said eventually I'm going to replace these guys, LEDs, and the turn signals. These are your parking lights. These are your turn signals. And then you beep me, just give me a headache. The brake light and the main brake light, and then the reverse lights. Probably those ones too, maybe. And that one. And then eventually that one, which has the keys are in ignition, that's right. Enough with the beeps. That one up there, I'm gonna have it change that over to a LED. Maybe blue I might do for that one, make it cool. I had one but didn't fit. And then the floor lights. Maybe I'll do the floor blue and that one white or whatever so you could see. But it's getting there slowly. Close down the hood. I'll wrap up the video. And we will be good. And you will know, hopefully, how to do this on yourself. So that's it for this video of installing the, brand they are, LED headlight kit, the high beams for a 2002 S10. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing for more videos. And we will catch you next time. Gonna take it for a drive now, I guess. And I will see if I can't hook my phone up in the GPS mount there and show you how bright they are on the road. So, see you then.